Anang? Sayaw niyo sa Christmas party?
Okay, kids, mag-start na ito. Okay, para okay. Okay, later ako. Okay, children. Okay.
Ayan, Yuan. Yuan.
No, Ayla.
Ay, for games. Ayla, that's for games.
Okay, okay.
Ay, nakakuha na ko amin.
Jen.
Asa man ka nga ha? 132. Ay, at kakuha na mo. At ba?
Okay.
Yuan. Picture ako. Yun si Papa yun. Sa Papa ko. Daddy ko po.
Red, pink, and green. Okay. Each team. Englishman, eh? Okay. Each team ay bullet mo of color. Then you're going to the food park.
You're going to the forest.
You go to the forest over there, and you need to find your Christmas balls. Kyrie, come here, Kyrie. Okay, pair, ha? Hold your hands in pair. Come on, Stella. Wait, son. Your pen. Jack, Billy, Jack. Jack. Okay, Sean, Sean, and Archie. Look at Sean, Archie. Kitty, and Tonette. You go there. Where's your pen? See? I didn't see. See, Stella, your pen there. Okay, go there. 12, 13. Okay, games like that. Okay, kids, let's all stand on the knee. Okay, move on chairs. Okay, move on chair. Jake, Kyrie, come here. Okay, let's start. Auto prize. Mama is our prize. Natay.
Yuan.
Kids, listen carefully. We have a lot of prizes now sponsored by our house number. 137. Yeah, let's give her. Next, si Ate. Watch. House number. 137. Yeah, let's give her. Next, si Ate. Watch. 85. That's Sean, Archie, and Ambra. Next. Okay. What's your name? Okay, let's start. Hold your partner.
No one left behind.
Hold your partner.
Guys, hold it.
Boy, si Mama yung si... Get set!
Oi.
Wait. Come here. Alin.
Yuan, tingnan mo. Yuan, ayun na. Ay. Ayun.
Okay. Neighbor. Alisa, neighbor. Neighbor, Kwanza. Sige. Alisa, Kwanza, Chris. Wait. sa ha. Maminaw. Children and kids. Look ha. We're going to demonstrate first the game, okay? Okay, wow. Okay. Neighbor. Alisa, neighbor. Neighbor, Kwanza. Sige. Alisa ka. Kwanza, dadalisa. Chris. Wait sa ha. Maminaw. Children and kids. Look ha. We're going to demonstrate first the game, okay? Okay, wow.
Sa likod pinakamaliit.
Okay, follow. May sa movement na, okay? Three.
You claim your prize to Ate Paisa. Wait sa
Tuntuan na naman yan.
Select. And next is Lloyd, Jack, and Dudoy. Claim your prize. Okay, you can keep your balls. Christmas ball. Yeah.
Yay!
Okay, claim your prize. Jack, Lloyd, and
Fun!
you claim your prize to Ate Paisa. Wait sa
Tuntuan na naman yan.
Select. And next is Lloyd, Jack, and Dudoy. Claim your prize. Okay, you can keep your balls. Christmas ball. Yeah.
Yay!
Okay, claim your prize. Jack, Lloyd, and
Fun!
It's time for Africa.
Out na, Yuan!
Title. Okay, wait.
Sa mga chismoso, di ko manikarit.
It's time for Africa.
Dance, you won!
Okay, dance! Okay! Basta, ulit mo yan!
Pakantar yan, alagay. Ayun o.
Okay, very good. Green. Sabay. Shine. Okay, kaya. Sabay. Dahil sure yung kiss, yung mga pala sila.
Get set.
Maliit ka. Sunod ka lang sa instruction.
Yung kiss, yung mga pala sila.
Get set.
Maliit ka. Sunod ka lang sa instruction.
Yung kiss, yung mga pala sila.
Get set.
Maliit ka. Sunod ka lang sa instruction.
You can open.
Oh my God, Toy, that's so nice!
Okay, picture. Okay, after let's have dinner. Okay?
Kailangan, go friends, picture na nila.
Picture, picture. Mommy, Daddy, thank you so much, no, for supporting our kids dito para sa anin. Okay. Pass.
Sige na na. Wait. Pass, wait sa. Hold. Hindi mo ba yan?
Pass. Hold. Wait. Hold. Wait, hold. Wait. Okay, wait, hold. Hold, sir.
Hold, okay?
Wait. Not yet. Wait, sir.
Wala, si Kyrie, wala mo. Ay, baliktad. Exchange mo ba yan?
Okay, listen mo niya, device ha, okay?
Sige, 1, 2, 3, pass!
Pass, right.
Wait. Sige, mahinay ang laban dito. Okay, hold.
Hold lang.
Hold naman, hold. Kaysa, huwag niluban din eh.
Pass.
Sige, go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, pass to the right. Pass, right. Wait, i-hold sa. Okay, sige, pass naman. Dapat,
Okay, 1, 2, 3, pass!
pass again. Pass.
Hinay lang, hinay.
Hinay.
Okay.
Okay.
Another pass!